Have you ever thought about making a profit from real estate? Welcome to the fascinating world of real estate investment, a real estate specialty teeming with potential profitability. Among the many strategies available, one stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Fix and flip. It's a straightforward concept that revolves around purchasing properties priced lower than the market average, breathing new life into them through renovations, and then selling them at a higher price for a tidy profit. This strategy is not just about buying and selling, it's about vision, about seeing potential where others may see disrepair. It's about management, about coordinating renovation efforts to transform a property into an enticing prospect for buyers. Fix and flip is a strategy that requires a keen eye for potential and the ability to manage renovations. Now that you know what fix and flip is, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, let's dive in and break it down step by step. Firstly, the cornerstone of fix and flip is identifying potential properties. This is where your keen eye for potential comes into play. Working with your real estate agent, you're looking for undervalued properties that can be bought at a lower price. To do this, you could explore distressed sales, distressed properties, auctions, or even off-market deals. Next, we move on to the renovation process. This is where you take that diamond in the rough and polish it into a sparkling gem. It's essential to focus on adding value without overspending. Prioritize improvements that will increase the property's appeal and market value, such as kitchen and bathroom updates or landscaping improvements. Remember, you're not just making it livable, you're making it desirable. Lastly, it's time to flip the property. This means selling at a higher price and reaping the benefits of your hard work. The profit comes from the increased property value achieved through your strategic renovations. It's important to understand the local real estate market to price your property competitively, ensuring a quick sale and a healthy profit. And there you have it, the process of fix and flip, broken down into digestible steps. With a discerning eye, strategic renovations, and a savvy sale, you can turn a modest investment into a significant return. So why not give it a try? The world of real estate investment is waiting for you. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points of the fix and flip strategy. This approach hinges upon three main components: finding potential properties, renovating them wisely, and selling them at a higher price. Firstly, having the knack for identifying properties with immense potential is crucial. Secondly, managing renovations is equally important. Remember, the goal is to enhance the property's value without overdoing it. And finally, the success of this strategy lies in selling the revamped property at a price that not only covers your investment but also brings in profit. Remember, the world of real estate investment is vast, and fix and flip is just one of the many strategies you can employ. So, do your research, plan your steps, and start flipping those properties for profit. Thanks for tuning in. Let me ask, how much extra income do you want to earn this coming year? $100,000? $500,000? The good news is, it's really up to you and your creativity and drive. Just do it.